don't waste nothing. You got too much accumulated now. You're supposed to go on vacation. Ain't nothing wasted. That's 2 extra days.
I guess I do some stuff around the house.
That's what you should be doing. You ain't getting nothing extra there. That was the money you give you ain't nothing compared to the bills we have.
You can make go do Uber.
Forget Uber and Lyft. Do something else. Go do painting or something.
You got that hooked up?
I don't know how to hook up. You a man. Man, go out there, look at the men over there. Let me go over there and sit person. Like the U.S. boy said, a man could go out and get a quick job right there. But it's harder for a woman to do that. You can't just go out there and around with stupid men. You have to get jobs inside or talk to women and don't know about men there. That's so stupid. So your girl man can go through it. That's how marriage started. Why are you talking about I got the hookup? I don't have a hookup with men. Mostly men paint. Other them people come next door to that house. I'm not angry. I'm just saying. You was the one that was saying, "Oh, we gonna pay for it. I'm gonna get another job at Bloom Company."
Okay, baby.
Oh, little bitty baby. That's the boy next door. He got a baby.
Is she gone?
She just came running out
She
there
going
going
to
by
work?
Oscar. Yeah. She had to go to work till 6 o'clock. Look at him when he be baby. Little rug rat. That girl must tell you get a job, then you can have the baby some. You be trying to work. That's the one that other boy fussing at. So I don't blame him. I said, man, she won't even talk to me, bro. You gonna drink that now? Or you gonna eat it in the house?
I'll go get him. You get me some clothes together?
No, we gotta go get some, oh, you looking? Go get some, we gotta get this insurance straight. I'm gonna go get him, man. You gonna do that.